Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I was thinking that most of us spend a lot of money in buying organizer, including me, for our kitchen without realizing what all things we already have, which can be used again in a good way. So today in this video I will be showing you 8 different no-cost kitchen ideas which you may utilize for organizing your home and kitchen. So let's start the video. All these empty jam bottles most of us normally have at home. We can use them as a storage container. But the problem is these bottles are not airtight. For making them airtight, you just need some old newspaper. Cover the lid properly with the newspaper. It will become airtight and you can store snacks like biscuits, tea, coffee, anything like this. Most of the time we throw these containers after ordering food from restaurant. But these boxes can be a great organizer. You can store all your earrings and necklaces in such boxes. That way all your jewelry will remain organized all the time and also you will not misplace the pair. And you don't need to buy any expensive jewelry organizer. We can find these carton boxes of appliances and gadgets in our store, lying empty without any use. Use them as a tray and chopping board organizer in your kitchen. And you can place them anywhere in the kitchen. Trays will get a great organizer without spending any money, and you can also use them to keep old newspapers or as a magazine organizer. You can make them beautiful by covering them with nice printed paper or cloth. However, I am using them as it is. I have seen people buying labels for their kitchen containers. Actually, we don't need to buy them at all. You just need few pieces of plain paper. Cut them as per your choice or as per container size. Write the name of the ingredient and stick it with the sellotape and then put them on the container and jars and it's done. You can label all your kitchen container without buying a single label. This type of basket we can get at very cheap price in any supermarket or stores, and mostly we all have such type of baskets for storing vegetables and fruits. We can easily convert them into a vertical organizer. Just tie a rope from both the sides and hang them and store whatever you want to. You can use this technique with any type of basket available with you. Many variety of towel hanger and towel organizer you can get from the market, but if you are not in a mood to spend anything new right now, then you can just use a hanger which is easily available in any home and hang your kitchen towel easily. A towel organizer is ready in zero cost. We mostly use ceramic or wooden cutlery holder, which are very expensive, and if you don't want to spend on such things, then you can use this old cans which comes along with rasgullas or ghee. I have painted these cans just to make them look nice. You can use them as it is and you can organize your cutleries and other items like lighters, scissors, etc. All your cutleries will remain organized without even spending a single penny. These are ice cream boxes. You must be thinking how many boxes I have eaten, right? Actually, I am collecting these ice cream boxes from last summer and I have a good collection of them now. So I have decided to use them to store all small items like chocolates, cherries and even chutneys, anything which can be fit in this size of container. Hope you like all these ideas for your home and kitchen. Do let me know in the comment section. See you soon in the next video. Take care and bye.